This is how you replace battery on Mazda Key Fob. What we'll do, first you have to remove the key. So push this as arrow indicates and pull the key out. Once you have the key out, as you look closely here, you can see an arrow pointing here and here. Basically, here is this groove. You need to enter a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, and rotate it like this. You can see the edge of the backing of that key fob will go up. Same thing here. As you can see, the crack is larger here. Just rotate your screwdriver. There you go. Remove the battery cover, CR2025. Remove the battery. To assemble it, you put the battery back in, you put the cover, you start at the end like so, squeeze it all together, insert the key.